let us start with the introduction module. So let's begin to understand the things you need to know about digital marketing in India. Let us understand the internet users and mobile phone subscribers in India. So at the moment, we have 481 million internet users in India, which is about 35% of the overall population in India. Internet users have been increasing rapidly from last 5 to 6 years. So the study shows that by 2021, it might reach up to 60% of the overall Indian population. That's a huge number, right? So we get to know that there is a huge potential in digital marketing as more and more people coming online. This initiative from the government of India, that is Digital India, has boosted up this process. One of their main criteria is to provide the internet facilities to the rural area. So if you see the broadband subscribers, there are 412 million users already using the broadband from different ISPs. Number of telephone subscribers in India increased from 1179.83 million at the end of February 18 to 1206.22 million at the end of March 18, thereby showing a monthly growth rate of 2.24%. That's a huge number, right? Let us get to know the digital marketing from the perspective of businesses. Most of the businesses have started considering digital marketing as one of their main marketing strategy due to the reason that it's highly measurable. Where in case of offline marketing, it is very difficult to measure each and individual target audience. That's not the case with online marketing. You can literally track each and every users online. Businesses have to watch out for the latest trends and technologies to get adopted to the new changes that digital marketing brings. Due to this reason, most of the businesses don't have enough time to look after the digital marketing teams. They are constantly in need of highly digital marketing skilled professionals so that they can take care of their operations properly. As the marketing has shifted from one-to-many to one-to-one approach, so the business needs more and more skilled digital marketing professionals who could deliver the desired business results through their digital marketing knowledge and experience. This is the main beauty of digital marketing because their approach is completely shifted from one-to-many to one-to-one. Where in case of offline marketing, it is one-to-many. In online marketing, it is one-to-one. People have started consuming more and more content. As they say, content is the king. In digital marketing, businesses are looking for content marketers who could deliver the quality and relevant content to the right audience to increase the engagement and conversions for the businesses. So let us understand the digital marketing spends. This is the report from eMarketer. If you can see, in 2013, hardly $0.57 billion have been spent. If you see the statistics from 2018, it says $1.78 billion has been spent. So that's a huge difference, and it has been constantly increasing year by year. And it is expected to reach more than $2 billion in 2019. This shows that businesses are investing more and more money online due to the lot of available opportunities they would like to capture online. Digital media spend is forecast to increase by 30% in 2018. The two main key factors which affected this growth is video and social media. More and more people are consuming video content online, and also more and more people are coming online, especially for the social media platforms such as Facebook. India being the leading country based on number of Facebook users as of April 2018, there are 270 million people using Facebook in India. If you can see the report here, this shows India being the number one in number of Facebook users. This is the data as of April 2018. This number is in millions. So there is a huge demand. The ad market in India is forecast to increase by $2.84 million between 2015 and 2018. This is the fifth largest ad expenditure growth in the world during this period. Advertising revenue in India has been expected to reach from 220 billion rupees from 2008 to 1078.1 billion rupees by 2020. So this is about the digital advertising spends online. Let us move on to the Indian languages. How does Indian languages are affecting the online marketing space? Indian language can add 205 million new internet users. This is the report from IAMAI. The findings suggest that age is a significant factor determining the Indic consumption over internet. Survey suggests that 75% of users over 45 years of age in urban India and 85% of users over the age of 45 years in rural India access internet in Indic. More and more people are consuming the content in local languages. If you can see the language-wise internet users, 5% is from Kannada, 6% is from Tamil, and 9% is from Marathi, and 6% is from Telugu. Also, if you can see the adoption propensity, Kannada and Tamil being the top, sharing a 74%, and Telugu being the second, 60%. There are other languages, other local languages who have started consuming the content online in local language. That's it about digital marketing trends and the different statistics of digital marketing. Let us move on to the next chapter. Thank you.